Did you know that AI can analyze millions of data points in a fraction of a second, giving traders an edge that humans simply can't match? In today's fast-paced financial markets, the ability to make swift and informed decisions is crucial for success. And that's where AI-powered trading comes in, revolutionizing the way we approach investments and giving traders a competitive edge. The concept of AI-powered trading is not new, but its growing importance in the investment landscape cannot be overstated. As markets become increasingly complex and unpredictable, traders need to stay one step ahead of the game to remain profitable. The good news is that AI technology is rapidly advancing, and its applications in trading are becoming more sophisticated by the day. By harnessing the power of machine learning and data analytics, traders can unlock new insights, identify profitable opportunities, and minimize risk. However, many investors still struggle to navigate the complex world of trading, even with the help of AI. Market volatility, information overload, and emotional decision-making are just a few of the common challenges that can hold traders back from achieving their full potential. One of the biggest obstacles traders face is market volatility. It's a constant source of stress and uncertainty, making it difficult to make informed decisions. Even the most experienced traders can be taken by surprise by sudden market shifts, resulting in significant losses. Another major challenge is information overload. With the vast amount of data available, it's easy to become overwhelmed and struggle to separate signal from noise. This leads to analysis paralysis, causing traders to make delayed or poor decisions. Emotional decision-making is another common pitfall. Fear, greed, and euphoria can cloud judgment, leading traders to make impulsive decisions that can have disastrous consequences. In addition to these challenges, traders also face the daunting task of staying up to date with market trends and news. It's a 24/7 job, requiring constant vigilance and attention to detail. Furthermore, traditional technical analysis can be time-consuming and prone to errors, making it difficult to identify profitable trades. Traders also often struggle to manage risk, leading to significant losses when trades don't go as planned. Another challenge is the lack of transparency in the trading process, making it difficult to identify areas for improvement. The absence of a clear strategy and lack of discipline can also hinder traders from achieving their goals. Self-doubt and fear of losses can be debilitating, causing traders to hesitate or make impulsive decisions. Inadequate risk management and failure to adapt to changing market conditions can lead to catastrophic consequences. Traders often find themselves stuck in a cycle of trial and error, wasting valuable time and resources on ineffective strategies. The pressure to keep up with the latest market developments and adapt to changing conditions can be overwhelming. In the face of these challenges, it's clear that traders need a game changer, a solution that can help them navigate the complexities of the market and stay ahead of the curve. This is where AI technology comes in, providing traders with the tools and insights they need to overcome these hurdles and achieve success. AI-powered trading platforms can analyze vast amounts of data in real time, identifying profitable opportunities and alerting traders to potential risks. By leveraging machine learning algorithms, traders can automate tedious tasks, freeing up time to focus on high-level strategy and decision-making. AI can also provide traders with objective, data-driven insights, helping to eliminate emotional bias and impulsive decisions. Advanced AI tools can even provide traders with personalized recommendations, tailored to their individual risk tolerance and investment goals. Moreover, AI-powered trading platforms can operate 24/7, monitoring markets and identifying opportunities around the clock. By harnessing the power of AI, traders can gain a competitive edge, making more informed decisions and achieving greater profitability. Now, I want to share with you the most powerful AI trading secret that can significantly improve your trading outcomes. This secret involves using AI-powered sentiment analysis to identify market trends and predict price movements. By analyzing vast amounts of social media and news data, AI algorithms can identify subtle shifts in market sentiment, allowing traders to make more informed decisions. This strategy has been proven to be highly effective, even in volatile markets, and is used by top traders around the world. By incorporating AI-powered sentiment analysis into your trading strategy, you can gain a unique insight into market trends and stay one step ahead of the competition. In conclusion, the world of AI-powered trading is vast and complex, but with the right tools and strategies, traders can unlock new insights, overcome common challenges, and achieve unparalleled success. By harnessing the power of AI, traders can gain a competitive edge, make more informed decisions, and achieve greater profitability. Remember, the key to mastering AI-powered trading is to stay curious, stay open-minded, and stay ahead of the curve. Thanks for watching, and be sure to share your experiences with AI and trading in the comments below. Don't forget to tune into my next video, where I'll be sharing advanced trading strategies to help you take your trading to the next level.